Be careful about overusing the word safe. Too,
Uh-huh.
we do know right now in our country we have what we call they're actually calling it safetyism. It's an interesting concept that we have become that word became such a thing in 2020, 2021, 2022. That's now become just our mantra. I mean, you can't even walk around the corner without someone saying, "Nice to see you. Be safe." It's like, what is there danger around the corner? So every time we say be safe to someone or be careful, we actually trigger a synapse in the brain that there's imminent danger. So we want to be careful about the overuse of that word because we're seeing that more and more that we're overusing. Everything is unsafe now. Like it, and so now we have kids who actually are using those words against us. They're coming to me and saying, "This kid called me a name. I feel unsafe." Because when you say that to people, there is imminent danger. If I had a kiddo who was driving and they were going on a trip, and I said, "Be careful, be safe," I now have taken their confidence away. When what I need to say is, "Hey, have a great time. Call me if you need anything."